the information in the description box for you guys. So stay tuned to see the rest of the video. Welcome back to the Lost Beauty channel. Thank you to my fellow followers for clicking on this video, and also the newcomers that has subscribed as well. Thank you so much for joining and clicking on this video. So today's video will be on a company called Long Beach Hair. So I received this hair from Amazon. We're going to get right into it. And it's a curly 60 inches. And they reached out to see if I am doing anything for myself. So this is what their bag is like, and it comes with inside. And I'll go ahead and open it up and show you guys what comes in here. So they sent a hair cap, some lashes that I'll probably put on with these on once I put the hair, well, it's a wig, so once I put the wig on, take pictures and things of that nature, I'll put those on so you guys can see what they look like. And the hair that is in the bag, it's like I said before, 16 inch. And we're gonna go open it and open it. Alright, so it's a curly unit, as you can see. I washed it and let it air dry. It has closure piece here, so I'm just probably go in and just touch up the closure just to give a nice realistic look. Combs on the side, one underneath, and actually one in the middle. And it has the elastic bands that come at the bottom that you can make it tighter in the back. This is how the unit look. This is 16 inches. Okay, so it's a water wave lace front wig, and it's 150 density. The elastic bands on the end here, so I don't have to do that while I'm putting it on. So I'll put it on and show you guys how it looks. So I clipped in my comb in the back, and I'm going to clip in my combs on the sides just to make sure they stay down. So I'm going to remove my glasses so you guys can see. And I'm going to pull the lace down as well. So as I comb through it, there's no shedding. It didn't have a weird smell or anything like that. Surprisingly, there's no shedding in the middle part. So we're gonna go ahead and get this styled. I probably will wet it so you guys can see what it looks like. To laying this closure down, I'm going to use my normal stuff that I like using, which is my Got to Be spray and gel. I've already cleaned off my forehead with my makeup, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put this down. So that should be enough. Then I'll go in and just spray a little bit on the area. Just tap it in. Okay, so this is drying. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this down, and then I'll put on my gonna press in on the area, and I'm gonna use my band. Alright, so I want to go back once I let this sit on and dry on my forehead. We're gonna see if it's stuck on. I'll let it sit for a good 10 minutes. As you guys can see, a little bit of a difference. I have on their lashes that they sent with the package, and they're absolutely beautiful. Get into the closure here. So it looks like it's down. Alright, so I cut my lace a little bit so I can go ahead and use my eyebrow outer to continue to cut down. And this. And I have my Cuticle. Just to make sure. This is it, guys. 16-inch. This is a water wave as well. Middle part closure. For tuning into the Boss Beauty channel. And definitely, guys, down here, down H here from Amazon. This is really, really pretty. Again, guys, thank you so much for tuning in to the Boss Beauty channel. If you like, subscribe, and comment if you like this video. Thank you so much for tuning in and clicking on this video. And if you like this hair, definitely go to Don H Hair on Amazon. This is a 16-inch middle part closure. Hey guys, so I wanted to come back really quick to show you guys what the hair looks like dried. It's not fully dry yet because I know you guys seen it in the beginning when I first started out the video, but this is what it looks like dried after me doing everything to it. So it's pretty much there. I love this water wave. Curls are so pretty, so pretty. So shout out to Dong H Hair on Amazon. Check them out.